your girlfriend. Yo, Joe.
Change your gender.
Yes, I said online. You're, I think she's hungry. There's a lion!
Be sure it's a lion, Chris.
Come back.
Where's your mom?
The number 911! 456. Cheers.
Go back to your mom.
Agua?
Go back to the
Agua?
zoo.
Are you guys recording this?
Yeah.
Oh, obviously not. Well, we were talking, Joey. What does it look like? I'm looking at something.
I know what you want.
I need.
The sacrifice you have to take. I gotta make something. Should I go?
That's so funny.
Hey. I have no clue. You want your mom to yell at you? I'm scared.
Your mom.
Oh, Jeffrey, you want to ride?
It's long enough.
You want to ride? You want to ride?
I asked her. She like puts this on Facebook and sends me. Yo, put this on Facebook.
Yo, move. Move, you're ruining it.
Chris.
Keep this right here.
Child.
Here you go.
Are you looking for her? Yeah. Yo, Chris. Chris.
Filipino?
Here.